video is a bit special as I'm celebrating the first anniversary of Belia. So today I will be showing you a very unique recipe called CHINGRI R LOBONGO LOTIKA. For this recipe, follow the ingredients. Marinate the prawns with salt and turmeric. Here I have taken medium-sized prawns, then grind it and make a coarse paste. Cloves, 1 cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms. Take 2 onions, grind it and make a paste. Green chillies, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dry red chili powder, pinch of turmeric powder, tablespoon of ginger paste, salt and sugar according to your taste. Around 2 tablespoons of ghee, white oil, a handful of coriander leaves, 3 to 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of lukewarm water. In medium flame, heat some oil and ghee in the pan. Make sure that the pan is hot. First goes in 1 clove, 3 cardamoms, green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon. Once this starts crackling, add the onion paste. At this stage, add in some sugar, while the onion is cooking. I will also add in green chilies. Mix this well, allow it to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then add salt, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, and add the ginger paste. Stir it properly for 5 to 6 minutes till the raw smell of the spices goes away. Once the masalas cook completely, I will add the prawn paste, and stir it for 7 to 8 minutes. Cover the lid and cook it on high flame for 3 minutes, then open the lid. Add the coconut milk whenever the prawns are drying. Remember that it will be the stuffing, so add the coconut milk gradually. Then add a handful of coriander leaves, give it a quick mix and cover the lid. Let it cook for a minute or two, then switch off the flame. The next step is to make the pastry. Add some oil in the flour, mix it. Add a spoon of ghee. Distribute the ghee within the flour for flaky crust. The flour should take on the texture of wet sand. Add water gradually. Mix it till the dough comes together. Take one portion, roll it, rotate 90 degrees and roll again. Make a rough round shape. Place the filling in the center. Apply water to the edges. Fold the first end, press and seal. Fold the opposite end, press and seal. Turn over, apply water to the wings, press gently to flatten. It with a clove. Now for frying, heat oil in the pan and fry. You can deep fry them, but here I did shallow fry.
For more such recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment, and obviously do subscribe to my channel because it's free, and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified each time I'm on YouTube. So till then, bye bye.